This is Patrick Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Data Structures class, and this is part B of my videos for the week because my computer's been crashing trying to sort this extremely large file. So I tried to pick a pretty simple exercise for the second one so I could actually incorporate the timer, because for the last one I had to use a keyboard interrupt and stop it because um, my computer would crash. So anyway, let's see how this works. This is just gonna return a sorted index of the numbers. So let's see. Come on. Why? Oh, okay. It's still running. I'm like, what's going on here? Squeeze text. Okay. Sweet. And there we have it. After a minute and 30 seconds of sitting there waiting. Um, okay. So here you have it. I'm gonna try to stop this video before it crashes again.